Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making it safe and accessible. Park level, engage park, chock the rear wheels and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Lift the X3 and support it on stands. Remove the front wheel lug nuts in a star pattern and take the wheel off. Once the wheel is off, locate the caliper and quickly inspect the rotor and brake line routing so you know what you'll face. Gather new pads, a brake piston tool, 13 mm and 18 mm sockets, and a clean rag before you move on. Once ready, remove the caliper guide bolts and carefully swing the caliper free, supporting it so the brake hose isn't strained. Pull the old pads out and use a C-clamp or dedicated piston tool to retract the piston evenly. Do this slowly to avoid fluid backflow. Clean the caliper bracket and sliding surfaces, inspect hardware, and replace any worn clips or shims. Apply a thin layer of brake-specific grease to pad backing contact points, and install the new pads in the correct orientation before reassembling the caliper. Reinstall the caliper over the new pads and torque the guide bolts to the factory specification, then reinstall the wheel and torque lug nuts in a star sequence. Lower the machine and reconnect the battery. Once on the ground, pump the brake pedal until it feels firm. This seats the pads. Check the fluid reservoir and top off if needed, then perform a low-speed test in a safe area. If the pedal is spongy, bleed the brake lines. If wear is uneven, recheck caliper slides and hardware alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.